can smell it in the air when it's coming to right here where I am, where I stand, and I can let them fall just like the rain. When it rains, it hides my tears and conceals my pain, so no one will see the vulnerabilities in me. Every day I can truly say I never realized life was going to be this way. Oh no, even though I'm suffering with all of these aches and pains, these voices inside my head are driving me crazy. When it rains, it hides my tears and conceals my pain, so no one will see the vulnerabilities in me. Yeah. Won't somebody please forgive me of the sins of my past, so I can finally move on past feeling guilty. It's so much more than just the physical.